I am ready to attempt an oil change on my 2013 Ford C-Max. For the first time, find a little engraved arrow in the plastic lining along the bottom of the car. That's a good jack point. About 6 inches in front of that little arrow, you'll see some metal, solid metal, where you can use the jack. Usually I use the jack that you turn. This is the first time I've used one of these jacks, and I'm having a little trouble. So I got a little elf to come help me get this off the ground. Okay. Situated a jack stand next to the jack for backup protection. Okay, next step is to go under the car and see what's going on. There's a thing covering the engine. There's a hole where you can see through, but I don't think it's big enough. Okay, I'm gonna go get a screwdriver with a little star bit to take these screws out. It's not regular Phillips head, it's a star bit. Here's the new oil filter. That I can spot. The oil filter is easy to see.
It's this, yeah, right here.
Okay.
This is
so,
it.
There's where it is. All right, I'm gonna go get some wrenches. Don't know what size. Don't forget the pan. Oh, goodness gracious, using all my might. It's not really budging. Shit, okay, that didn't work. Let's try again.
This is not right. I think it's too big.
Okay, that didn't work. We're gonna try size 15.
I wanna make a video.
Are you now?
Yeah.
You're gonna become one of those?
Yeah.
All right, last person put it on with an impact wrench.
Even my assistant couldn't get it off because apparently it was put on with an impact wrench. That is speculation, of course, but okay.
Okay, you ready?
Yeah.
It's gonna come all pouring out.
That oil looks pretty dirty.
Yeah.
Doesn't it?
It doesn't take long for it to start looking dirty. You're mostly seeing the combustion byproducts. I mean, you're basically looking at carbon, soot from the gasoline combustion process.
Okay.
You can do it too much by hand. Yeah, that's definitely good enough.
Okay.
All right, so we move the pan down here.
Yep.
So we take this loose.
Might need that thingamajigger. Oh, he's so strong. Ah! Oh, no.
A little bit messy. Bear that in mind.
Filling the filter first.
Okay.
So it minimizes the amount of time that your engine runs without oil in it.
Okay.
And then I'm just gonna put it up under.
Easy peasy. Oil cannot just be put in the sewer or the toilet. You need to dispose of it properly. Luckily, there is a oil recycling container here nearby. Super lucky because I think usually you have to pay someone to take away your dirty oil. Okay, time to get back under the car to put this engine cover thing back on. Turns out one of the screws was missing, so I can only assume that someone else who performed a prior oil change lost it or broke it, and they used a zip tie on the one corner. I would not ever have known that had I not gotten under there myself. Okay, 5W20 motor oil, synthetic. That's what I heard is best for the hybrid. Pour in 5 quarts of oil. Pour, 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 don't waste a drop.
It's done. We saved $45.
gonna take it down off the jack. Make sure to get the jack stand out first.
Total savings, $45. Time spent, 45 minutes.